Hello students, we are going to discuss about types of dryer continuation part. Next type of dryer, spray dryer. Principle of spray dryer, fluid to be dried is atomized into fine droplet which are thrown radially into a moving stream of hot gas. Temperature is immediately increased, fine droplet get dried in the form of spherical particle. Process complete in few seconds before the droplet reach the wall of dryer. Construction of spray dryer, it consists of large cylindrical drying chamber with a short conical bottom. It is made up of stainless steel. Diameter of this device 2.5 to 9 meter. Height of this device 25 meter or more. Figure shows that spray dryer inlet for hot air is placed in the roof of the chamber and another inlet carrying spray disc atomizer is set in the roof. Spray disc atomizer diameters are 300 mm. It rotates at a speed of 3000 to 50,000 rpm, that is revolution per minute. Bottom of the dryer is connected to a cyclone separator. Working principle of spray dryer. Drying of material in spray dryer involves 3 stages. One by one we will discuss. First one, atomization of liquid. Feed is introduced through the atomizer either by gravity or by using suitable pump to form fine droplet. Properties of final product depends upon the droplet form. Atomizer of any type, pneumatic atomizer, pressure nozzle type, spinning disc atomizer. Rate of feed adjusted in such a way that droplet should be completely dried before reaching wall of drying chamber. Second stage, drying of liquid droplet. Surface of the liquid droplet is dried immediately to form a tough shell. Liquid inside must escape by diffusing through the shell at a particular rate. Heat transfer from outside to inside takes place at a greater than liquid diffusion rate. The result, heat inside mounts up which allow the liquid to evaporate. This leads to increase in internal pressure which causes droplets to swell. Shell thickness decreases whereas permeability of vapor increases. Shell is neither elastic nor permeable. At a rupture and internal pressure escape. Third stage, recovery of dried product. Centrifugal force of atomizer drives the droplet to follow helical path. Particles are dried during their journey and finally fall at the conical bottom. All these processes are completed in a few seconds. Particle size of the final product, the ranges are 2 to 500 mm. Particle size depending upon the solid content of the feed, liquid viscosity, feed rate and disc speed. Capacity of this device 2000 kg per hour. Advantages of spray dryer. It is a continuous process. Drying time 3 to 300 seconds. Labor cost is low. Product of uniform and controllable size can be obtained. Fine droplet form provide large surface area for heat and mass transfer. Product shows excellent solubility. Either solution or suspension or thin paste can be dried in one step to get final product ready for package. Limitations of spray dryer. It is very bulky and expensive. Huge equipment is not always easy to operate. The operation is difficult. Thermal efficiency is low. As much heat is lost in the discharged gases. Thank you for your attention.